Hello guys, here is I have Samsung Galaxy a04e. You can see this phone screen is cracked and LCD also cracked. So I'm going to show you how to replace this screen. First remove the SIM card. Now we have to remove this back cover. From this side we're going to start removing this back cover. Just lifting up. There is a lock on all sides, so we just unlock the all clip. We're almost done to remove this back cover. Now we're going to remove this back cover, and now we're going to remove this back panel. First we're going to remove this all screw. There is a two kind screen on market. One is with the frame and another one is without frame one, and I'm going to show you how to replace with the frame one. We remove this all screw. Now we're going to remove this back panel. Remove this back panel. Now we're going to remove this battery connection, and there is a screen connection. We remove it. Now we're going to remove this antenna line. Then we're going to remove this motherboard. First we're going to remove this side, then there is one lock. We just unlock that side and lifting up this motherboard. And here is the new screen with the frame one. You can see there is not comes with ear speaker and volume and power button flex. So we have to remove from old screen and put it back on new screen. First we're going to remove this ear speaker. Remove from one side, slowly lifting up. And we're going to remove this power button and volume flex. First use some alcohol, and with the tweezer we're going to slowly lifting up, and that side also we're going to lifting up with the tweezer. We don't need to add alcohol, it's easy to remove it. This side we remove this flex, volume and power button flex. Now we're going to put it back on new screen. First we're going to put the ear speaker, and this side we're going to put it back the volume and power button flex. There is a glue on it behind this connection. We just press it down, and this side also has a glue on it, so we don't need to put extra glue. Previous glue is good. Just press it down. We are done here. Now I'm going to put back the motherboard. First on bottom side, then just press it down, and bottom side there is charging port. We have to remove first all screw. This all screw are same. Remove all screw. Now I'm going to lighten up this back panel, and you can see here is the speaker connection. Now we're going to remove the charging port connection, and now we're going to remove this antenna line, and with this open tools we're going to lift it up slowly. It's come out easily, the charging port. Now we're going to remove this vibration. Use some alcohol and just lift it up. It's come out easily. And here we have to very be careful. Speaker, I'm going to use some alcohol and slowly we have to lift it up. If you try to lift it up too hard, might be it's going to be damage the speaker, and if it's damaged, sound is not going to be clear. We're nicely lifting up this speaker, and here is the new screen. I'm going to put it back vibration and a speaker, and if you want you can add some glue on under the speaker. I use some glue so it's not going moving. I forget to show the camera. We just use glue on under the speaker. You guys can add it. And we're gonna organize the antenna line and put back this back panel and put back all the screw. We're almost done all the screw. Now you're gonna put back the antenna line top side. Organize the antenna line. And now we're gonna remove this battery from OLED screen. Use some alcohol on side. Then with these open tools, we're gonna lift it up a little bit. First with these tools, we're gonna open up a little bit. Cannot use sharp open tools. Is slowly lifting up, and then use the plastic tools. So if you use plastic tools, you don't want to damage the battery. It's come out easily now, and there is some line on the top of the battery. We just slide it down. It's going to make even the battery. Nice, look good. And there is some alcohol, so we just dry a little bit with the hot air gun, and you can see it nicely remove this battery. Now you're gonna put back this battery on your screen. Make sure it's on center. And then we're gonna put back two screen connection and put back this battery connection. On top of that, we're gonna put this black panel and just press it down. And put back all the screw. It's not that hard to remove this, fix this screen. And we're almost done here. Now you're gonna put back cover. Just press it down all side. You're done here. Now you're gonna turn on the phone. Make sure it's touch and screen is working properly. Yes, it's turning on. I'm gonna check now screen. Make sure it's working good. Yeah, touch is working. I don't know the password, so I cannot check other thing. But you guys hear noise. The speaker is working. And put back the SIM card tray. Yeah, you can see his LTEs came in. LTEs came in. That's when network is working. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it. If you have any question, let me know. And thank you for watching.